Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jonathan, and today I want to talk to you about smart home. Putting together a smart home can be a lot of work. Everything from finding all the equipment you need to picking out a hub that can pair everything and then hoping that everything that you picked out communicates with each other properly, and also the painful installation process. Luckily, I've teamed up with Cox Communications and they invited me to Pensacola to check out their smart home, which will hopefully make this process much easier, even for the seasoned Smart Home Pro. Let's start with what is Cox Home Life. For starters, it requires a Cox Communications subscription, whether it's Cox Cable or their internet service. It's perfect for people already subscribed to their services, and if you're not, it's a great opportunity to check out what bundled options are available in your area. Cox Home Life is an all-in-one ecosystem with various plans ranging from self-monitoring to professional monitoring based on your needs. What's great is depending on the cable and or internet package you pick, you might see a substantial discount, making the 24/7 monitoring pretty affordable. Also, it takes the headaches away from shopping for various pieces of equipment by showcasing all of the equipment they have to offer right there on the Cox Home Life website. More so, since Cox Communications engineered all of this equipment to work with their services, you know it's going to communicate with each other great. Cox Communications created the Home Life application, which is available on iOS and Android, and it makes managing and viewing all of your smart home devices a breeze. As someone who currently has several different smart home devices installed from different brands, I can truly appreciate the simplicity and ease of use the Cox Home Life app offers. In my experience, many times I have to use several different apps in order to accomplish a task due to my various smart home appliances and devices not communicating with each other due to them being from different brands. Now, let's talk about the equipment. They offer HD video cameras, which can be monitored within the Home Life app, as stated previously. There's smart LED bulbs, door and window sensors that can also be placed in cabinets. So if you have children and want to keep them out of maybe a medicine cabinet, this will definitely come in handy. They also offer smart outlets and even a smart thermostat. If you choose to go with a professionally monitored plan, you also get wireless keypads, smoke and heat detectors, carbon monoxide sensors, glass break sensors, flood sensors, security signs. And if you want a more tangible control hub versus using the application on your phone or tablet, they have a really nice Home Life touch control panel for managing all of your devices. I was told in the future, there's also going to be a TV remote that will allow you to control all of your devices using your voice, which I briefly got a demo of. Of course, installing everything could take a really long time. Luckily, they got your back. They'll send out a professional to install all of the devices that you order, make sure that they're functioning correctly, and also make sure that you're knowledgeable and comfortable with using everything before they leave. For me, this is awesome. Not only does it cut down on the time associated with installing smart home devices, it also makes shopping for the equipment you need super easy because it's right there on their site, while also bundling your payment into something that you're already paying for, while possibly saving you money in the process. I highly suggest visiting their website to check out the offerings in your area, as this is a great option for anyone looking to get their feet wet into their first smart home experience, or even the seasoned smart home user that is looking to simplify their billing and just use an all-in-one ecosystem, like me. The downside to all this is that I don't have Cox Communication services in my area, and based on the gigabit internet speeds I was getting at the Home Life and Security smart home, I would say they need to get busy on making their way down here so I can enjoy Home Life and Security as well as Cox Communication services.